Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you top 5 methods to fix your hanging Windows 11 or lagging Windows 11 system. So let's get started. First, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape together to open your task manager. Now scroll down and here at the bottom you will see Windows Explorer. Now this takes most memory, so right click on it and click on Restart. And as you can see, your system is kind of restarted, your Explorer is restarted. Alright, so this is a quick fix and it will have some immediate effect, but for long term we'll see some other methods to fix your slow Windows 11. Now the second step is to disable startup apps so that you have no background apps running on your system that take CPU and memory. So press your Windows key and type startup, click on this and here you'll see a bunch of options. You'll see a bunch of softwares that load up whenever you turn on your PC. In my case, as you can see, I only have a bunch of these. That is Update Checker, Realtek Audio, and Canon Printer. So I only have these three enabled. What you need to do is, if you have a bunch of these that are turned on, just turn all of these things off so that they are not started whenever you turn on your PC. And you only have these low impact. So this is also showing low impact. This also has low impact. So whatever you have turned on, just turn them off and only keep the necessary ones like this audio driver turned on. Okay, now the third step is to use your CPU to its full capacity. Now what happens is, most of the time, to reduce heat and to reduce sound, your CPU might be limited to using only 80 or 90% of its capacity. So let's fix that. Press your Windows key and type Control Panel. And if you don't see this, you might be in this kind of view. Just click on this view by and change it to category. And now click on Hardware and Sound, click on Power Options. Here you might see any plan that is being used for you. Just click on Change Plan Settings, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In this Processor Power Management, click on this plus button next to it and click on Maximum Processor State. And here, as you can see, I have 90%. I'll just change this to 100% so that my CPU is used to its full capacity. And I'll change this to 100% too. Okay, and click on Apply. And also click on this PCI Express and click on Link State Power Management. Now here, as you can see, in Link State Power Management, on battery it says maximum power savings, and on plugged in it says maximum power savings. So whenever you are saving power, your performance is impacted. So what you can do is, maybe you want to leave it to maximum power savings when you're on battery because you want the battery to last a bit longer. But when you're plugged in, you can just change this to off so that your cards are used to its full capacity and they are not limited. Okay, and just click on Apply, click OK, and now you have optimized a bit of power settings to improve your performance. Now a final thing that we'll do is, we'll optimize our drive so that they can be accessed easily. So open your Explorer by pressing Ctrl E, click on this PC, right click on your C drive or right click on whichever drive has Windows installed. So I have this icon here. This means that Windows is installed in this drive. Right click on it and click on Properties, click on Tools and click on this Optimize. So this will optimize and defragment your drive so that files are accessible quicker. Just click on Optimized and it will be optimized in a few seconds or a few minutes. Once this is done, files can be accessed faster from this drive and your PC should be faster. So these are the 5 methods that will help you to improve speed on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.